I don't agree to it at all.
Umenteri Rangba ke Jylla Conrad ke sangma hakanru terik reber ulaong baka sorkar kam shym labai tyngka da kama shimram ban pynroi ki kam pynroi ha ke Jylla. Habakren shagilat pathai khubor sangma ula pauru ke jingbom soya hap halor ke jingkeno jong kaliang persya baka sorkar kala shym da karam na ke benta ki kam pynroi ha ke Jylla. Ngam menjur da leiru ya kene ke jingkeno ngala pensya ya kene ha ke jingkran ha ke dorbar mang tyngka badang shen kumta ngasngo baki liang persya ki dei ban syong bat ban persngap ya ke jubab ke jonga. Haba kira ya ke mat bat kim persngap ya ke jubab ke jonga, bat hadin mentabiang hadin bangala jubab, kila rak biang ya ke ni ke mat. Kumta ngam tip syu syanongan jubab ya ke ni ke jingkeli ulaong. Ulaong ru, ka jingyok bha ke jongi na ki khajna ka sorkar pedeng kalalong da arsya, kata na ka 1,000 kelur tyngka syaka khandai 1,000 kelur tyngka, hakine ki sansnem baladem. Kat baka khajna ka jongi ka bangila yotlum kala kiu na ka 1,000 nyos pa kelur tyngka haus nem arjar khatpra syajan kumba 1,000 nyos pa kelur tyngka kata da jan laisha hakini kisan snem baladem. Kumjuk ka bha ka bangi yok lengba ki skim ka sorkar pedeng ka pisa ka bangila yotlum kala long jan laisha ladangi shym kelum nabaro ki skim. Ka externally aided project EAP jongi bat ka jingpenut kala kiu da sansha habai nujor bat ki sansnem ki bala letno bat kini ki EAP wat la ki dei jong ka World Bank henrei ka dei ka bala ai subsidi hadu 90% lingba ka sorkar India. Kumta ngila siu tang 40% bat ka neru kam dei setia karam. Ngihap luparu ban siu 40% bat ka GOI kala ai subsidi bat siu 90%. Kumtaru na kaliang CM ulaong balada ki MLA kaliang persya kin jendala syong hapok ka ying dorbar bat ban sengap ya ke jubab ke jong u hakate ke sengikut jong ka dorbar mang tyngka kumtaru kin ombu syu ya kane ke juk ke jingkeli nakawai ka por syakawai pan.
I don't agree to it at all. I've explained this in my budget at length, so I feel that they should have stayed that day and listened to my reply. So when they raised the issue and they didn't listen to my reply, and then again now after I've replied, then they're again raising this issue. So I don't know where to answer this question to them. Even the public, after seeing the presentation that I gave that day, understands that our overall expenditure that has gone up, almost double, has happened because of multiple reasons. We are not financing our development by taking loan. Our share of central taxes has doubled from 4,000 crores to 9,000 crores in the last 5 years. Our own taxes have gone up from 1,700 crores in 2018 to almost 4,700 crores, almost tripled in the last 5 years. Our share of centrally sponsored schemes and the money that we get has almost tripled if we take an average of all the schemes put together. Our EAP, overall externally aided projects, the expenditure has gone up 5 times compared to what it was in the past. And externally aided projects, though it is World Bank, is 72% subsidized by Government of India. So we only pay 28%, and that is also not loan. We have to pay upfront of 28%, and the Government of India then subsidizes and pays the 72%. We have been able to make use of the special assistance on capital investment which the government has given, which is a 50-year-long loan which is interest-free. And for that, in a consolidated fund, we are putting money to pay back, so that will not be a burden on us. And we have been able to take more than 4 times of what the amount was allotted to us. So I've been explaining this time and again in the assembly, and explaining that how we have funded this. So yes, loan component is always there. It's not that loan component is not there, but loan component is only to the tune of what the RBI and the Government of India allows us. They will never allow us to take more loan than what we should take, and there are caps on it, and we've been maintaining those caps. And therefore it's not an issue at all. We are taking the amount that, as I said, has been prescribed and allowed by government. So I urge that the MLAs should have stayed back and listened to my speech that day. They would not have been asking these questions again and again, but I don't know why they run away from such kind of programs. When they ask questions, they are sitting there. We sit and listen. When our time comes to reply, they run away. I guess this is not very responsible way of being a public representative, and I wanted to urge that let's have healthy debate in the floor of the House. I was explaining to them; they could have easily asked me these clarifications on the day of the budget reply. I have given a very detailed presentation along with facts and figures and charts, and most people are now clear that what's happening. But sadly they were not there, so I don't mind. I can again reply if they wish to another time with the same presentation.